Electric vehicles in 2025, the future of driving. Electric vehicles, or EVs, are one of the hottest topics in the car world for 2025. More people are choosing EVs because they're eco-friendly, cheaper to run, and packed with cool tech. Let's break down why EVs are trending and what makes them exciting. Why EVs are booming. EVs are cars powered by electricity instead of gas. They produce zero emissions, which means they're better for the environment. In 2025, EVs are more popular than ever because battery costs are dropping. Batteries are now cheaper, making EVs more affordable. Prices for batteries have fallen to around $150 per kilowatt hour, so more people can buy EVs without breaking the bank. Charging stations are everywhere. By 2025, companies are investing $60 billion to build more charging stations, so you can charge your EV almost anywhere. This makes owning an EV easier and less stressful. Governments are helping out. Many countries offer tax credits and rebates to encourage people to buy EVs. This saves buyers money and boosts EV sales. Popular EVs to watch. Some exciting EV models are leading the charge in 2025. Tesla Model Y, a compact SUV that's stylish, fast, and has a long range of over 300 miles per charge. It's a top seller for a reason. Ford Mustang Mach-E. This electric SUV blends sporty looks with green driving. It's perfect for car lovers who want sustainability. Hyundai Ioniq 6, a sleek sedan with great tech and comfort, competing with Tesla in style and performance. Chevrolet Silverado EV, a powerful electric truck for those who need strength and eco-friendliness. Cool features of EVs. EVs aren't just about saving the planet, they're fun to drive. Here's why. Instant power. EVs deliver quick acceleration, making them feel fast and responsive. Smart tech. Many EVs, like the Hyundai Ioniq 5, come with over-the-air updates, so your car gets new features without a trip to the shop. Quiet rides. EVs are super quiet compared to gas cars, making your drive smooth and peaceful. Challenges to know. While EVs are awesome, there are a few things to keep in mind. Range anxiety. Some worry about running out of charge, but with better batteries and more charging stations, this is less of a problem. Upfront cost. EVs can cost more upfront, but savings on fuel and maintenance make up for it over time. Charging time. Charging takes longer than filling a gas tank, but fast chargers are getting quicker. Why EVs matter in 2025. EVs are shaping the future of driving. They help reduce pollution, save money on fuel, and come with cutting-edge tech. With more models, better batteries, and charging stations popping up, 2025 is a big year for EVs. Whether you're into SUVs, sedans, or trucks, there's an EV for you. So if you're thinking about your next car, check out an EV. It's a smart, fun, and green way to hit the road.